Friends, welcome to my next video. The subject is Business Research Methods, MCQs with Answers, Part 7. Today we will try to solve question numbers 151 to 175. I, Dr. Rohan Devani, welcome you all. We directly try to solve question number 1. The question is like this. Sample is a subset of a dash. The options are sample size, larger population, confidence interval, and sampling error. Students can pause the video, they can think of answers and they can check answers in my next slide. So correct answer for this question is sample is a subset of a larger population. Next question, dash is an individual member of a population. Options are sample element, sample, universe, none of the above. The correct answer is sample element is an individual member of a population. Next question, dash is the process of selecting a sample from the population or universe. The options are sampling, sampling technique, universe, all of the above. Correct answer is sampling is the process of selecting a sample from the large population or universe. Next question, sample must be a true representative of dash. The options are population, sampling, sampling technique, and census. The correct answer is sample must be a true representative of population. Next question. Dash is an investigation of all the individual elements that make up a population. Options are sample study, census, central limit theorem, all of the above. The correct answer is census. Census is an investigation of all the individual elements that make up a population. Next question. Sampling is extremely important to choose a sample that is truly representative of the dash. Whole population, half of the population, and to draw few out of total. The correct answer is population. Sampling is extremely important to choose a sample that is truly representative of the population. Next question. In probability sampling technique, every unit in the population has equal dash of being selected. Options are chance, lottery method, choice, accidental method. The correct answer is chance. In probability sampling technique, every unit in the population has equal chance of being selected. Next question. In systematic sampling, the selection of a sample is very dash. Simple, convenient, complex, none of the above. The correct answer is convenient. In systematic sampling, the selection of a sample is very convenient. Next question. Dash is a technique in which every unit in the population has equal chance of being selected in the sample and this chance can be accurately determined. The options are quota sampling, probability sampling, snowball sampling. The correct answer is probability sampling. Probability sampling is a technique in which every unit in the population has equal chance of being selected in the sample and this chance can be accurately determined. Next question, dash techniques are used when the number of elements in a population is either unknown or cannot be individually identified. The options are quota sampling, non-probability sampling, probability sampling, and snowball sampling. The correct answer is non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling techniques are used when the number of elements in a population is either unknown or cannot be individually identified. Next question. Non-probability sampling is also known by different as dash. The options are deliberate sampling, judgment sampling, purposive sampling, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Non-probability sampling is also known by the different as It is also known as deliberate sampling, judgmental sampling, purposive sampling. So all of the above is the correct answer. Moving on, dash means selecting sample units in just hit and miss fashion. The options are quota sampling, snowball sampling, convenience sampling, and judgment sampling. The correct answer is convenience sampling. That means selecting sample units in just hit and miss fashion. Next question: the researcher meets the respondents accidentally is known as dash. I repeat again. The question is: the researcher meets the respondent accidentally is known as dash. The options are quota sampling, snowball sampling, convenience sampling, and judgmental sampling. And the correct answer is in the convenience sampling, the researcher meets respondents accidentally. Next question: a frequency of dash is called as sample distribution. Options are mean, absolute, sample, and population. The correct answer is a frequency of sample is called as sample distribution. Next question: a frequency distribution of a sample statistics of the sample mean from the set of samples is called as dash. So whether it is population distribution, sample distribution, sampling distribution, or chi-square distribution. You can pause the video and think of the answer, and the correct answer is sampling distribution. So a frequency distribution of a sample statistics of the sample mean from the set of samples is called as sampling distribution. Next question: to estimate the population values, the researcher required to have dash distribution. The options are population, sample, sampling, and probability. The correct answer is to estimate the population value, the researcher required to have sampling distribution. Moving on, a good sample must be free from dash, permission, precision, bias, none of the above. The correct answer is a good sample must be free from bias. Next question: in stratified random sampling, elements in the population are divided into homogeneous groups, and that is called as dash, stratum, hierarchy, status, or strata. And the correct answer is strata. In stratified random sampling, elements in the population are divided into homogeneous groups, that is called as strata. Stratified sampling is dash process, whether it is a single step, multiple step, two step, or none of the above. The correct answer is stratified sampling is a two-step process. Next question: each unit of the population has the equal probability of being selected as unit of the sample is called as dash. The options are simple random sampling with replacement, simple random sampling without replacement, non-probability sampling method, and census. The correct answer is each unit of the population has the equal probability of being selected as unit of the population is called as simple random sampling with replacement. Next question: the value of probability of a sample unit selection will vary from one another unit in the dash method. You can read the options: simple random sampling with replacement, simple random sampling without replacement, non-probability sampling method, and census. And the correct answer is simple random sampling without replacement. Moving on, sampling error is dash related to the size of the sample, whether it is directly, inversely, both of the above, or none of the above. And the correct answer is sampling error is inversely related to the size of the sample. That means if sampling error is to be minimized, then sample size has to be maximized. Next question: smaller the standard error of estimate dash precision of the sample. Smaller, higher, both of the above, or none of the above. The correct answer is smaller the standard error of estimate, higher is the precision of the sample. Next question: dash is one of the approach to decide the size of the sample. The options are arbitrary, scientific, probability and non-probability. The correct answer is arbitrary is one of the approach to decide the size of the sample. Next question. Classical statistics is also called as dash approach. Options are sampling theory, statistical, numerical, all of the above. And the correct answer is sampling theory approach. So classical statistics is also called as sampling theory approach. What is next? In my next video, we will learn business research methods MCQs part 8, questions 176 to 200. Till then, keep thinking, keep learning. Keep watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the bell icon for further notifications. I wish you best of luck for your examination and studies. These are some references I have used for creating this video. Thank you.